Welcome back to Car Vibes. If you're a truck enthusiast, you're going to want to hear everything about this beast because the 2026 model isn't just a refresh. It's a full-blown evolution. Whether you're looking at it for work, adventure, or luxury, Ram has made sure this new iteration checks every box and then some. First, let's talk design. The 2026 Ram 1500 takes a sleeker, more aerodynamic approach while still maintaining that bold, muscular stance Ram trucks are known for. The front fascia is completely redesigned with a modern LED headlight setup that stretches slimmer and wider across the grille. Speaking of the grille, it's no longer the traditional crosshair design. Instead, Ram is leaning heavily into a premium sculpted grille with intricate textures depending on the trim. The body lines are sharper, cleaner, and more upscale, reflecting Ram's push into premium territory, especially in the higher trims like the Limited and the all-new Tungsten edition. Now, through the hood, things get even more interesting. Ram is phasing out the iconic 5.7-liter HEMI V8. Yes, the engine that's been a staple in Ram trucks for years. In its place, we get a pair of Hurricane Inline-6 engines developed by Stellantis, which are twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter units. The standard Hurricane engine delivers around 420 horsepower and 468 pound-feet of torque, while the high-output variant cranks things up to a staggering 540 horsepower and 521 pound-feet of torque. These numbers not only surpass the outgoing V8 in terms of raw power, but they also offer improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, a clear nod to the industry's pivot toward performance with responsibility for buyers who want even more efficiency. Ram is introducing the Ramcharger, a range extender plug-in hybrid variant that's expected to hit markets alongside the fully electric Ram REV. While the REV will cater to the all-electric crowd with over 500 miles of claimed range, the Ramcharger uses a gas-powered generator to charge the battery on the go, effectively eliminating range anxiety. It combines electric drive motors with a battery pack and a 3.6-liter V6 engine acting purely as a generator. So, unlike a traditional hybrid, it doesn't drive the wheels directly with gasoline. The electric motors do all the work, giving you that instant torque and smooth acceleration EV fans love. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Ram 1500 is aiming to be the most luxurious truck in its class. The biggest talking point here is the new technology suite. You've got a massive 14.5-inch vertically oriented touchscreen as the centerpiece, running an updated Uconnect 5 system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even built-in apps like Amazon Alexa. Right next to it is a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that's fully customizable, letting drivers tailor their information layout depending on preference or drive mode. But it doesn't stop there. For the first time, Ram is offering a passenger side screen, a 10.25-inch display embedded in the dashboard that allows the front passenger to stream media, navigate, or control climate functions without distracting. The driver comfort-wise, the materials have been completely overhauled. In the new Tungsten trim, the most luxurious offering to date, you get 24-way power adjustable front seats with massage function, quilted leather upholstery, suede headliners, real metal accents, and even a 23-speaker Klipsch reference premier sound system that makes the cabin feel more like a concert hall than a truck. Ram has always led the way in turning pickups into lifestyle luxury vehicles. And with the 2026 model, they've just widened that gap even more. In terms of utility, Ram hasn't forgotten its core audience. You still get the industry-best Ram box, cargo management system, an available multi-function tailgate, and a bed with up to 12 tie-down points. Towing capacity is also impressive, especially with the high-output Hurricane engine, with the 2026 Ram 1500 able to tow up to 11,580 pounds, depending on configuration. Payload maxes out at around 2,300 pounds. putting it firmly in competition with the Ford F-150 and Chevy Silverado, while still delivering more refinement and tech than either of those. Safety tech sees a major upgrade as well. The 2026 Ram comes standard with a suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. But more impressively, Ram is rolling out a hands-free highway driving system, similar to GM's Super Cruise on select trims. It uses a combination of cameras, radar, and pre-mapped highways to let drivers go hands-free on over 400,000 miles of roads across North America. That puts the Ram 1500 on the cutting edge of semi-autonomous driving for pickups. Another major move Ram made with this release is trimming down the trim lineup and refining each one for a specific buyer type. You've got your workhorse tradesman. At the base level, the Bighorn and Laramie for balanced luxury and function, Rebel for off-road lovers, Limited for near-luxury buyers, and now Tungsten, a full-blown premium truck rivaling even the likes of GMC, Denali, and Ford Platinum. Each of these trims comes with a distinct grille, wheel design, and interior color palette, making them feel like separate vehicles rather than just different equipment levels. Ram is also introducing new customization options for both appearance and performance. Buyers can opt for blacked-out packages, chrome-heavy themes, or even color-matched bumpers and grille surrounds. Off-road packages now come with upgraded Bilstein shocks, electronic locking differentials, underbody skid plates, and all-terrain tires that make the 2026 Ram just as capable on the trail as it is on the highway. The 2026 Ram 1500 is expected to hit dealerships in early 2025, with pricing starting just above $40,000 for the base tradesman and climbing up past $85,000 for the fully loaded Tungsten edition. While those prices may seem steep, you're getting technology, performance, and luxury that rival many SUVs in the same bracket, and with the towing and hauling capabilities trucks are known for. In summary, the 2026 Ram 1500 isn't just a new truck, it's a statement. A statement that Ram is no longer content to play catch-up or follow trends. They're pushing into electrification, setting new benchmarks for interior quality, and delivering engine options that not only outperform competitors, but future-proof the lineup for emissions regulations and fuel economy standards. Whether you're a die-hard HEMI fan or someone excited about electrified driving, there's something in this truck for you. This is Car Vibes, and the 2026 Ram 1500 just raised the bar for what a modern pickup truck can be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the cars and trucks shaping the future.